Merge two data frames with some equal columns. I have two CSV files. 1.csv. 2.csv. Loading them like. I need merge both data frames in something like this, writing values on df1 that are empty on df2, adding extra columns and rows that not exists on df1. My real data frames has other columns that should be merged too, not just text. I tried using merge getting something like. But it's not what I need. I don't know if I'm on the right path and should merge the suffixed columns or if there is a better way to do this. Thanks. Update. Added writing values on df1 that are empty on df2, adding extra columns on df2 that should be present on df1 after merge and rows that should be appended on df1. Solution. Based on a at u2 ef1, thanks, comment, I found the solution. In my case, it's very important to define a default empty value, that's why the filna.
Edited to updated rows, columns and update data, efficiently merging on the indexes. Code to update your df1 with df2 data. Asterisk asterisk solution asterisk asterisk. Output. Reason it works. PD merge has a couple of multi-purpose params. The on key is actually only used to join the two data frames when the left underscore index and right underscore index keys are set to false, the default value. Otherwise it will just join the identically named columns that are found from the on value. In this case the two columns text and not id. I made it a more general by using df1.columns.tolist. As the param, this means any identically named columns in df2 will overwrite the data from df1 instead of marking it text underscore y. Using the more general on key, df1.values.tolist, you can actually loop through a bunch of CSVs updating the data from the data frame as you go. Asterisk asterisk 3x faster than accepted solution asterisk asterisk. Accepted solution.
Usually you can solve this with the proper index. And if you don't want that index after, just df1.reset_index, in place equals true.
Into the